As many do on a rainy Monday morning, I'm enjoying a walk along the Slima promenade with a nice cold beverage. With me are several containers that can now be recycled at one of the 320 reverse vending machines provided by BCRS. We're here to see which containers can be recycled and which cannot. Slow down, please. Barcode could not be identified. All right. Some bottles are not authorized. Not sure if it's because it's squashed or if the container isn't authorized.
Mela, għalissa ovvjament anka sakemm in-nies jidraw il-prezzijiet il-ġodda x'issa ħanollu, mhux eżatti ħanollu, ħanżommu charge bħala depositu tal-fliexken tal-plastik, tal-kontenituri tal-plastik, tal-ilma u x'nafin, tal-fliexken tal-ħġiġ li mhumiex refundable u anke ovvjament tal-cans. Sakemm il-konsumatur iżomm dik it-10 cents għall-ewwel ħanħossuna daqsxejn strambi li filli qed bih pakkett ilma għall-argument €2 u millum tibda tbijaw $2.60. Jiġifieri dik għalissa tagħmel daqsxejn effett anke fuq il-konsumatur sakemm nintroduċuha. Però nemmen fis-sistema li ħadd naqqas ħafna cans u plastik li nsibu fit-toroq maġinwawċin u nemmen illi ħadd tkun effettiva iva. Diġà rispons illi n-nies diġà bdew jieħdu aware illi għax issa 10 cents mela nżommu il-fliexkun.
We came to the reverse vending machine with a bag full of recyclable material. Some we managed to recycle and some we'll be taking back home with us. Squashed plastic bottles, wine bottles and some containers which do not fall in the scheme run by BCRS are not accepted. We're going to see what we can get with those.
Good morning. L-ewwel wieħed intilhom. Ma jien għamilt kif għaddi, mhux voucher. Not okay, balla numri, legally jiena ma nistax intih flus ta' dan, le. Irid jixtri ta' lesti u għandek. Kien jiflu